Alright, let's first welcome to Gordon Guitar. Hello, my friends. Welcome to Gordon Guitar. This is Wednesday. Okay, we have Wish Wednesday. That means you wish for songs here, and I'm bringing up for you on Gordon Guitar. I'm very excited. That is why I'm kind of falling forward here when I'm speaking. We have another song from Rilès. I prefer to use that English pronunciation. Where that I believe, at least, he is a French-speaking person, artist. Maybe the name goes in that direction, but anyway, we're gonna name him Rilès here on Gordon Guitar. Ready to Die is a song that he performs and plays, and it's UMG. He wished for his song, Ready to Die. So the question for you and all you fans out there, are you ready to learn how to play this song? I believe so. Let's go into it. So we have a capo on fourth, absolute best scenario for us. We have 4 chords. They roll in the same order through the entire song. I'm going to give you 2 or actually 4 different versions of how to handle these chords, from very simple to a more advanced, not too hard. Let's go into the chords first. We're going to start with A minor. A minor goes open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. C next. Easy transition, you just take that ring finger up to the 3rd fret A, and that is how the chord starts. 3rd A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. We have D minor next. Open D, second G, 3rd B, first E, and finally we have the E. Open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, open E. Alright, so that will be the chord progression through the entire song. Let's start this one very easy when it comes to strumming pattern. I showed you 4 variations here in the introduction of the tutorial, 4 chord progression rounds, different variation every time. So we're going to start from the beginning. Grab the A minor, and 1 string round. The first one will be just 4 downs like this. Okay, so we're gonna highlight the 3rd down in the way that you're gonna play on the higher strings. All the other downs you're gonna play on the bass. Okay, so you're gonna separate them from each other. So bass, bass, top, bass. That is 1 string round like this. Okay, so for this string pattern, you're gonna play 2 string rounds per chord. So A minor 2, C2, D minor 2, E2 like this. Okay, that is level 1. Now into level 2. That is to replace that down, the 3rd down where you're playing the higher strings, with a clap instead. So that will be down, down, clap, down. All right? So it goes like this. Okay? That is level 2. Now into level 3, we will leave this string pattern and go into a next one, okay? And that's one, you're gonna play only 1 per chord, okay? It goes like this. Okay? So the first half will be to play 3 downs like this. And I'm playing the bass strings for the first 2, and then on the higher string on the 3rd. So a short pause there, and then you go into this second half, which will be like this. And that is to play up, down, down on the bass string, and then 1 down on the top string, and 1 down on the bass string. So up, down, 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 down is the second half. So together, part 1 and part 2 will be down, 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 up, down, 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 down. Okay, you're gonna play 1 of these per chord. It sounds like this. Okay, so that's level 3. Level 4 is to replace that third down and the down right before the final down. The downs where you play on the higher strings, replace them with a clap instead. So that will be down, down, clap, up, down, clap, down. Maybe that is easier than the third level. It's just me naming everything here. But anyway, one of these per chord, down, down, clap, up, down, clap, down. Sounds like this. Now you can mix. Yes, I mixed and I missed on some chord there. I'm aware of that. Yes, anyway, that is how you play it. I think you understand the idea here. Thank you, MG, for being here on this channel, for highlighting this song from Rilès, Ready to Die. Hope you enjoyed it, all the Rilès fans out there. And if you want songs for your girlfriend, boyfriend, or just for your own sake, maybe I always wanted to learn a specific song, then write. Leave me a comment here on this channel, wherever you want. I read everything. I put you on the list. Perhaps it's your song next time. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, leave me a like and be back for next time. Till then, play tuned.